Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, September 20th, 2016. Well, we're looking at the SPY, which mirrors the S&P 500. This is an intraday chart on the 10-minute. What we're seeing is a market that's very range-bound with good reason. We're waiting on the Bank of Japan to come out this evening with their interest rate policy statements, and we're waiting on the Federal Reserve tomorrow. Very rare you have two major Federal Reserve banks or banks of a specific country that are basically going to be giving their interest rate policy within 24 hours of each other. So the markets are no doubt on hold. You can see the volume today, 56 million. Again, the price action today, we opened up into this little downsloping trend line. Take a look at that trend line, by the way. Nice little triangle. Connect that high through here, through here, through here, and we just tagged it right on the upside here, and we're now pulling back into the end of the day with just about 15 minutes to go. But bottom line is the markets are just waiting. They're going to see what goes on. I personally, I know it's not the obvious role. The obvious direction of the market's going to be up because you know the Federal Reserve is going to try their hardest to give the dovish sentiment to keep the markets floating. But I have to say, I mean, looking at the daily charts on the market, it is very, and I repeat this, I mean, it is very, very bearish. Look at the daily spiders chart here. I mean, that is a classic bearish pattern if I've ever seen one, and you got a time count too. Now, can a pattern fail? Certainly it can. We've seen it fail many, many times, but ultimately the odds favor, based on the charts alone, downside in this market. So, I mean, looking at tomorrow, it's very, very possible we could see some downside action. We might even see downside tomorrow morning ahead of the Fed with the Bank of Japan. Fed is not going to raise interest rates, I will say that, but it's all about their statement. Is their statement dovish or hawkish? And again, this is, I mean, for those of you that don't know, you see a decline like this and the market goes sideways with the 20 moving average crossing the 50. That's a bearish chart. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I wish I could say otherwise because again, you feel like the gun's against your head with going against the Fed in terms of downside in the market. I mean, that's the way it seems because every time the Fed speaks, they seem to cause a market rally. But I don't know. I mean, I'm just calling a spade here. Downside target, too, is huge. I mean, you're looking at 205, 206, 200 MA here if this market really got a powerful sell to it. So we're going to find out tomorrow, guys. It is going to be an interesting day. Again, Bank of Japan will be out later this evening into tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, the FOMC makes their statement. Come to InTheMoneyStocks.com. We're going to be trading it and making money as we always do. That's the beauty of what we do. Between day trading and swing trading, we're going to make lots and lots of money. So come join us. Take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center. I'll see you there. Take care.